In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the script blocker feature in the GDPR Cookie Consent Plugin. This is a pro feature. So, before you get started, make sure that you have the GDPR Cookie Consent, free and pro versions installed in your WordPress. Check out the link in description to learn how to do so. Script blocking is of vital importance when it comes to GDPR cookie compliance. The premium version of the GDPR Cookie Consent Plugin has the capability to automatically block the active scripts that inject cookies on the website until the users give their explicit consent. On your WordPress dashboard, click on GDPR Cookie Consent Plugin, Cookie Settings. To auto-block scripts of plugins, move on to the Script Blocker, then Advanced Settings. It will allow you to manage automatic script blocking for your website. The inbuilt script blocker in this plugin is capable of blocking cookies from these third-party scripts, like Google Analytics, YouTube video embeds, Facebook Pixel, etc. Enabled plugins will be blocked by default on the front end of your website, prior to obtaining user consent, and rendered respectively based on consent. If you wish to disable automatic script blocking for any of these plugins, you can do so by simply toggling the button against the respective plugin. You can manually select the cookie categories. For example, Google Analytics scripts can be set under Analytics category, Facebook Pixel can be set under Marketing category, and so on. Alternatively, you can also choose to add the scripts in the head/body section via the cookie list. Once you are done, click on Save. Now, the cookies used by third-party scripts will be stored on visitors' browsers according to their cookie preferences. So, this is how you can use the script blocker feature in the GDPR Cookie Consent Plugin. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to this channel and we will see you in the next video.